Hi there, welcome back. Here we are doing something slightly different. I've had a lot of people asking me to look at certain stocks, whether it be penny stocks or just stocks which are down quite a lot at the minute, and here we are doing that today. Now this is one which I have had a few suggestions about. The stock is called EDU. It's known by the company's name as New Oriental Education and Technology Group Inc. Now this is a Chinese stock, I do believe, and we can see that yes, over the past month it is down quite significantly. In the past 3 months we are falling very massively, and in the past 6 month period we just get that shown a lot more clearly and we can see a much bigger drop. So ultimately this one is going to be a technical analysis, giving a few of my thoughts on that very quickly. Now please do bear in mind guys, a few things before we do start. I think it is important to stress this on this sort of stock more than many others. First things first is obvious, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Neither is it a fundamental analysis of the company. I am not saying that the company is fundamentally good or bad in this video. We are looking at the price action of the stock and giving more of a technical analysis and nothing more. Make sure to research the fundamentals if that is something which you do like to do, as this is only something which I have been requested to look at. So again, not financial advice, do your own research, and again, this is a very risky company, please do remember that before we do get into it. But regardless, let's have a look at how the stock has been moving in the past while. So first things first, on the 1 day we can see ultimately in the morning we went up and we came down towards the end of the day. Now that is just a very quick summary of what has happened. We can see that is a trend that we have noticed. Now this is not really too bad of a trend in my opinion on the 1 day. We do appear to be quite flat in this level where we are right now, which is fine. And obviously in the past 5 days, yes, we are mixed, but ultimately we are seeing a little bit of growth with this strong climb up coming from the 24th, which is completely fine. And again, going into the 25th, we saw a little bit of a sell-off, but we did remain level in this range, about 2.005 or thereabouts. So ultimately we have been stable in this range now for a decent amount of time, and that is good to see in my personal opinion. And again, the fact that we have had that push up is good. The fact that we have remained in this level so far is also good. And again, it is something which I am very happy to see. If we can break a bit higher, that would be fantastic. But yes, we do appear to be hitting a little bit of a resistance just above this level here, just ever so slightly above 2.2. So yes, that is the level that we do need to break above in my personal opinion. And again, just before that, another level which I would like us to break above would be this level here, which is about the 2.05 range. And again, that is because we have remained stuck in that level for a while back here, and clearly right now we are stuck just below that. So the past month we can see a slow but steady decline in the share price. That is unfortunate, and like I said, the past 3 months is bringing us down as well. Now one thing that we are seeing in this stock over today and yesterday is a bit of flat action. It's not really too much, but yes, it is quite flat, and I don't think that is a bad thing at all. The RSI figure for this one is down here at 33 at the moment on the 6 month, but yeah, that is what we are seeing so far. And yes, the moving average is coming down on the 50-day, and that is simply due to the fact that we have had that big sell off in price. But like I said as well, the basics of it is that, simply put, the price action is picking itself up ever so slightly, crossing over to that MACD. We can see, yes, we are definitely in the red on that, but we do appear to see those lines crossing over right now, and they are going up ever so slightly, so it definitely could be pointing towards a bullish trend on the technical indicators. And again, coming closer on the 5-day, we are seeing a bit of a push up. Now a lot of people at the moment are thinking that Chinese stocks are kind of finding a bottom right now, and we could be seeing a level where they do sit flat and actually come back up again. Obviously, that is what we would all love to see. The market in general is a little bit shaky at the moment. We can see a lot of our favourite stocks and cryptos down here. Some of these are in the red at the moment, unfortunately. But when it comes to Chinese companies, obviously it does have its own issues in regards to that, in comparison to some US companies and companies from around the world. But yeah, we are seeing this one being down in the past 3 or 6 months, depending on how you look at it. But now we are seeing a little bit of a level. So ultimately, would I buy this stock? From a technical standpoint, possibly I would. I would be looking for this one for a short swing trade in my personal opinion. Again, the fundamentals is something completely different. That is not what we are here to talk about tonight. But ultimately, I do see some potential for an uptrend in this stock. Again, I would like to see us break past this level up here, but I wouldn't necessarily buy it at the moment. I would be looking for a quick break soon. Again, some may say that you may miss out on some of those gains if it does break upwards, and yes, that absolutely could be true, but personally, I like to take caution. Tell me your thoughts down below. I do want to hear your strategies, and I do want to hear if you think this is a good company. Again, I am not a financial advisor, and I do need to stress this is a quite risky company in my personal opinion, and it is just something which I have been requested to do, so we have had a quick look on how it has been moving. Thank you for watching though, I will see you soon. Thank you for watching through till the end, but let me tell you about our Discord. So on your screen you will be seeing the N2S Finance Discord. Obviously it is split into multiple sections. Basically at the top we have updates from me and all that kind of good stuff. If you scroll down a bit further we have the main sections where we focus on cryptos, SPACs and other hot stocks including penny stocks, even stable growth stocks as well, and we even have a special AMC GME chat. If you scroll down you can see some research and DD from the community. We also have funny memes and you can see actual contributions from members down here. And again, if you do join us, it is completely free, link is down below. But if you do want to become a Patreon, you will actually get a pink sticker which will be displayed on your name. So your name will come up in pink as mine comes up in red down here, and that will show that you are a Patreon. But other than that guys, you can join completely for free down below. You do not have to pay anything if you do not want to. Thank you for watching, see you soon.